Hi everybody, Sterling Ball, also known as Big Papa, with a quick hit. I'm going to show you how to make some steakhouse mushrooms, some cash cow steakhouse mushrooms. Real simple. Cube of butter. Don't just put the cube in the pan, cut it up into smaller pieces. There we go. We get that butter melted. This is a great thing for steak. There's nothing better than steak and mushroom. I'm going to get ready for my next ingredient, a dry rub for beef, but it's also a base rub. A lot of the great brisket cooks use it, their brisket base. But I have this theory that you shouldn't put anything on your food that doesn't taste great. And this cash cow tastes great. You can make it, put it in hot water and drink it as a soup, a broth. It's really got a beautiful rendered beef stock in it, along with spices and different seasonings. And I'm gonna take a tablespoon of cash cow. Here you go. Now what's great about putting this rub in a pan like this is the hot butter or hot oil will also, it'll actually open up a lot of the ingredients, a lot of the seasonings. I'm gonna swirl it around, mix it up good. Once I get it bubbling, I'm gonna add the mushrooms, but I'm gonna make sure. You know what, guys? I'll be right back. This is good on its own. I grew and sliced these mushrooms this morning before you guys got here. Also packaged them. Now we wait. Now, it looks like there's not enough liquid in this, but the mushrooms, they're gonna release some juice, and the mushroom juice is gonna mix with the cash cow. We do this so you know I can cook. There we go, okay. We got this here, you see the butter and the cash cow's coating? I mean, just let me put one more thing in here. Put some Tabasco in here. All right, we've got right about 10 minutes and this will be ready to put on. Okay, here we go. Cash cow, Tabasco, butter and mushrooms, New York steak. Have I left out any good words? Get that one spot right there. Did somebody say mushroom smothered steak? I present you Big Papa Smokers New York steak smothered in cash cow Tabasco mushrooms. Any questions?